What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. As you can see, it is nice and sunny for the bank holiday weekend. And this is an absolute beauty for the summer theme. It is the Alcoholic Tango Ice Blast. Is there anything more British than that to enjoy for the bank holiday weekend? I don't think so. And I will show you guys how to make it. Two blenders, so we've got the red slush in here and the blue slush in here, and this is how we created it. 200 ml of VK black cherry, 100 ml of sour cherry,
One hour later.
To make the blue slush, it was 25 ml of Blue Curacao, 25 ml of vodka, and 200 ml of WKD blue. Again, you can use a VK. So what you do then is just blend it, put lots and lots of ice, basically, probably about, I filled my ice up to probably about halfway. And the same with the blue again. Here's the end result. I'll give you a close-up. That's what we've ended up with. And now, similar to the Galaxy cocktail, if you've ever had it, I would recommend it. So the first slush we'll put in it will be the red. Let's blend the blue slush on top. Easily can make two out of this, easily two, and probably a bit more left over to enjoy some more. As easy as that. Time to put a straw in. And there we go, one Alcoholic Tango Ice Blast. One last thing to do. How does it taste, a Tango Ice Blast? Like a gift sent from the heavens. Beautiful. Probably use grenadine instead of the cherry like that. There's something a bit sweeter, but that make it absolutely top notch. Because it's whether you like black cherry or not. Because I'd prefer something a bit sweeter than black cherry. Still very, very refreshing. That's beautiful. Because they're just like how much similar it looks to a Galaxy like that. Like your blue slush and the red top on slush. Just beautiful. Summer cocktail, guys. I can't recommend this drink anymore because it's absolutely perfect for. So it's a nice slush, it's beautiful, and it's British. That's the Alcoholic Tango Ice Blast, and anyone that is British will know what the Tango Ice Blast is, because there's anything more beautiful than that, having a cinema, enjoying the film while slipping on a Tango Ice Blast. There isn't. But that is the homemade Alcoholic Tango Ice Blast. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys for the next summer cocktail. Cheers.
I'm going to put blue on bottom and see how it looks. This is obviously said we can get two out of it, so.
Oh, your Hard Rock Cafe glass.
Paris. See you soon, PSG. Okay. And go.
Yeah, simple as that.
Easy.
Blue on the bottom, red on the top.
Okay.
What does Joe's Juicy think of it? Is it summertime just like the straw says?
Yeah.
It's
Could have done with this when it was roasting hot like a month or so ago.
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
That's nice. Like the little mix, the purple you get there as well.
Yeah.
Look at it, the straw pushing a bit of purple there. I like that. Cool.